together to build brain health. Supplements from Victous Life Sciences like Core Orac V, loaded with antioxidants, and Region Stem V with the benefits of exclusive extracts like moringa, astariol and phytocells have shown that these compounds have an ability to reduce oxidative stress and to help maintain healthy brain cells. An amazing testimonial from one of our associates where he has got benefited from brain tumor by using these supplements which are rich in antioxidants. So you want to improve the health of your brain cells? Why don't you try it?